Vallabhbhai Patel Chest Institute is a premier postgraduate institute devoted to the chest diseases. The Department of Respiratory Allergy and Applied Immunology was started in 1960s by late Professor D.N. Shivpuri. The main objective of the department is research, training and education in the field of respiratory allergy and applied immunology. This Department of Respiratory Allergy and Applied Immunology was upgraded as a National Center of Allergy, Asthma and Immunology and was inaugurated by Professor P.N. Tandon, the chairman of the governing body of the institute, on 12 February 2011. The main objective of the National Center is the allergy care through training, education and research. There has been many distinguished visitors to the National Center of Allergy, Asthma and Immunology. Few of them are Dr. Bana, who is the past president of the American College of Allergy, Asthma and Immunology, Dr. Jayesh Kanuga and Dr. Naveen Malhotra from USA, Dr. Dushyanta from Sri Lanka and Dr. Venur and Rashidul Hassan from Bangladesh. The patients are coming from the different parts of the country and the center is involved in the patient care through the OPD services and indoor care services. One of the important services which the department is providing is the allergy testing through in vivo and in vitro method. The skin allergy testing is done by the prick method and the patients who comes positive, they are correlated with the history and whenever needed, the patients are given the immunotherapy for the treatment. The department is also conducting the food allergy testing and department has done the prevalence of food allergy in bronchial asthma patients. Further, the food intolerance tests are also being conducted in the department. For the diagnosis of bronchial asthma and the follow-up cases, the department is conducting the pulmonary function test in these patients. The department is involved in the research in the field of allergic bronchopulmonary aspergillosis, bronchial asthma, allergic rhinitis, food allergy and smoking cessation. The National Center has adopted a village where we are conducting the study to see the effect of the indoor air pollutants on the respiratory function of the children. In these village households, we are measuring SO2, NO2 and RSPM. The center is involved in the training to the physicians from all over the country. We are doing the regularly CMEs, seminars, workshops and conferences. Few of the important conferences are the first international conference of the South Asia Association of Allergy, Asthma and Immunology, NAPCON 2011, and we have been conducting the workshop on allergy and immunology since 1981. We have made a compilation of our work conducted by the National Center of Allergy, Asthma and Immunology, which has been shown here.